Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the Octopus website. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, the name of this website has already been changed into Staffology. So in order to open this page, you will need to open up your web browser first and in the address bar type in staffology.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Staffology or Octopus HR. In order to log in, click on the HR button at the top section and now click on Login at the top right. You will then be taken into the login portal, but sometimes you may also face an error issues which might happen for various different reasons. But if you see this message telling you that the error has been logged and the team will investigate, then this is quite certainly not a problem from your end. So try again after a few minutes, and when you click on the login button, you will be allowed to enter your user ID and your password. After entering both of your user ID and your password, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. You will also find the options to reset your password if you have forgotten it right on the login portal. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on the Octopus or Staffology HR website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.